Hey everyone, so I am making some cranberry sauce from scratch. But before doing that, I'm going to show you what I normally would do for the household. Everyone loves the traditional jellied cranberry sauce. Now, Ocean Spray does have like a whole berry sauce too, but it's just not the same as if you make it from scratch. But I did want to show you all that for the holidays, this is what I typically will serve everyone because it's a tradition. You got to have the jellied cranberry sauce. So this year, I've actually done it for a few years, to be honest with you. I have made some homemade cranberry sauce, but this time I am adding some orange marmalade into it because I was like, oh, that may be a nice change. So here is how it looked at the end, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now, this is a very super easy recipe to follow. And as usual, I will have the full instructions and ingredients on my website at plussizeinchicago.com. So basically what you're gonna do is add 1 cup of water. You're gonna also add 1 cup of sugar. And then from there, you're going to add in some cinnamon. You're gonna add like a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you're going to add in your cranberries. So I'm using a bag of fresh Ocean Spray cranberries. This is about a 12-ounce bag. They can be fresh or you can put them in the freezer, but either way you want to put them in that pot with all the other ingredients. Stir it up some, and then you're going to let this all heat up for at least 10 minutes. Now, these cranberries, they're going to get a little mushy, and that's what you want. They're going to burst. So before all of that happens, I'm going to add my orange marmalade. That's about a 1/4 cup of orange marmalade. You can add as much as you want, just to get that orangey flavor. And the next thing I'm going to do is add like a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, you have the option to leave as is after you've let it simmer for 10 minutes. You can also use like a potato masher or maybe an immersion blender to make the cranberries like a little more pureed. But I kind of like it like this because I just like it to pop, kind of like the bubble tea. But yeah, so the main thing you want to do is just let it simmer so that it thickens up just a little bit. And then afterwards, you're gonna let it sit for at least 20 minutes. You can pour that into like a bowl, like a heat resistance bowl. Sit it in that bowl and let it cool off for at least 20 minutes before you put it in the refrigerator. I would not serve this right away, so it's best that you make this ahead of time before you have your dinner. Some people may like it warm. I think it's best when it's cold. But yeah, so you want to put it in this bowl, let it sit for about 20 minutes, put it in the refrigerator overnight or at least for 4 hours and let it thicken, like really thicken. So I let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, and this is how it looks now. It's more thick, and all the flavors are melding together, that cinnamon, the vanilla extract, as well as the orange marmalade. So yeah, this is what I cooked, and I hope you like it too. And it's just another alternative to having cranberry sauce. It's fresh without using the jellied can. See you guys next time. So friends, if you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, or maybe you're following me on one of those social media platforms. Thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me again. If you are new here, my name is Angela, and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.